These eerie objects are called quasars. They're some of the brightest and most powerful.
Hi, I'm Shift Happens, and don't worry, this video is just called NASA Found Creepy Galaxy Eaters in Space. I'm sure it's gonna be totally chill.
Powerful objects in the universe. They lurk in the depths of space, consuming entire galaxies with their insatiable hunger.
I'm sorry, what?
But what are quasars? Where did they come from? And most importantly, are they dangerous to us? Picture a
That looks like an egg beater, hula hooping.
supermassive black hole, a cosmic monster so massive that it can swallow entire stars and bend the fabric of time.
Okay, first of all, second of all walls, and rubbing my eyes. Don't proceed. Wait, weren't they trying to ask, are these dangerous to us? Excuse me, narrator, why are you asking such a question? Because, I don't understand. I don't understand why you're asking that question. Because what kind of, protective shield do you have? Where, the nom 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 of the fucking universe? I don't, wait.
Usually, there's such a black hole in the center of every galaxy. That includes our own Milky Way galaxy. Ours is named Sagittarius A star.
Hell yeah. Shout out to the Sagittarians out there. What up? High five. Clap.
Sounds like the name
Ooh, Milky Way. Oh, that sounds so fucking good.
of a hipster coffee shop, but in reality, it's a
Oh my gosh, did you hear? Narrator, are you being funny? Okay, go on.
terrifying
Hey, that looks like... Do you remember that? Was it called a Bop It? No, I don't know. Do you remember that, toy that was, a ball stuck in, a frisbee, and you would, jump on it until you broke your ankle? Never mind.
celestial body, which is 4 million times
Some of us have a celestial body,
heavier than our sun. You could even see it online. For the first time, we took a photo of this black hole in May 2022. But don't worry.
Docs.
Even though it's super massive, it's not going to swallow us up anytime soon. This black hole is relatively small, and it's too tiny to eat an entire galaxy. So it's more
Is that, really what the... I don't see colors of holes.
like a cosmic vacuum cleaner that sucks up stars or gas that gets too
Is this where Roomba got his idea?
close. But there are black holes
Oh my gosh, that totally looks like an eyeball. I said it. Also, that's enchanting. It's beautiful.
in the centers of galaxies that are way heavier and more dangerous
How beautiful.
than ours. They can weigh millions or even billions of times more than our own sun.
Wow, are you body shaming the sun? What is that? Is that a shish kebab black hole?
Now,
Black hole sun, shish kebab. Oh, now I'm hungry.
imagine one of these monsters. Usually they're surrounded by a swirling, glowing disk of gas and dust, like water swirling down a drain. It's called an accretion disk,
Oh, that's like an areola situation, allegedly.
and it's where the
Or like an, I don't know.
magic of quasars happens. As material from the accretion disk falls toward the
Ew, accretion disk, go to your doctor.
center, it heats up to millions of degrees, releasing vast amounts of energy in the form of radiation.
Hold on. I wake up to this so much, it's just doodle all up in my fucking face. Feed me, Seymour. And she...
As material from the accretion disk falls toward the
Stop saying accretion disk. I just got the chills.
center, it heats up to millions of degrees, releasing vast amounts of energy in the form of radiation. And this radiation is what we observe as a quasar.
Wait, isn't that looks like, that looks like Saturn. It looks like reverse Saturn. Looks like antimatter Saturn.
So basically,
Antimatter Saturn. Ooh. Copyright pending.
the more material a black hole can consume from
Material.
surroundings,
Shut up.
the
Hey Madonna, what are you doing?
brighter its quasar will be. This is what makes them so bright and powerful, shining like beacons in the night sky.
Shine bright like a diamond. Ooh.
Walmart Plus. It's Walmart Plus. Free shipping, no order.
Some black hole.
Did you see that? Did you see that ad just like infiltrating? Where's the black hole to suck that in? Ooh, do you see the beam of light? Is that a fucking black hole fart?
Can actually make entire.
Also, that was proof of the algorithm, like 100 million%. To whom it may concern that will never watch it, I blame you. We were just talking about Walmart. We were just talking about Walmart, and they just fucking infiltrated. Oh my gosh, I blame you. And oh gosh, now I'm itchy.
Their galaxies, their meal. Now, combine their
Wait, making galaxies are a meal.
ravenous appetite with some intense radiation, and you'll get a truly awe-inspiring display of cosmic power. No wonder we can see them, even though they're some of the most distant objects in the universe.
That looks like a sword. Remember that story that I told that one time about allegedly, definitely, doing mushrooms like in a public place, and then my boyfriend at the time, we had bought that like, I don't know how to describe it right now, the like clown balloon kit. And then all of a sudden we had a line of like parents and children that wanted us to make balloon animals and stuff. Anyways, we are not skilled in that craft. And anyways, this kind of looks like all the swords. It was... Anyways, shout out to... oh gosh. Ask Mary, she'll dox him. Something Friedman.
Quasars were discovered in the late 1950s by accident.
Oh,
astronomers
gosh.
were just
Hold on.
chilling and looking at the sky when suddenly they stumbled upon something strange. Radio signals that had
When there's something strange in the radio signals. What did you discover? A fucking quasar.
no visible source. By 1960, hundreds of these strange objects had been found.
Hold on a second. I'm speeding it up, for science.
Astronomers named them quasars, short for quasi-stellar radio source. These objects were small and far away, but
Oh shit, I did not even know. Good for you, acronym. Good for you. Laser's also an acronym.
their energy output was immense and difficult to explain. Some thought that these were new types of stars. Others even proposed wild things, like quasars being made of antimatter or being the end of a wormhole. But all these theories were discarded.
Wormhole? Testy the tapeworm was a parasitic movement.
A scientist named Martin Schmidt was the first one to get to the truth.
Mark, that is so many A's, dude. Martin Schmidt, are you any relationship to, what's his name? John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt? Question mark.
However, many astronomers didn't believe him. Schmidt had to do a lot of extra work and gather lots of evidence to prove his theory. And finally, he prevailed. And that's how we discovered
good
quasars.
for you.
Don't you love the scientific
Oh, that's
method?
so pretty.
And since then, astronomers have been captivated by these objects.
Oh my
Why?
gosh, it's
Because they have some pretty
gorgeous.
eerie qualities. Hey, you could call them quasi-quasars.
So-
For example, they kind of defy the laws of...
Wait.
And since then, astronomers have been captivated by these objects. Why? Because they have some pretty eerie qualities. Hey, you could call them quasi-quasars. For example...
You could call them quasars? Stop it, narrator. Look at that. That looks like a fucking contact lens.
They kind of defy the laws of physics. They emit jets of particles that travel at speeds close to the speed of light. These particles move so fast that they can even distort the
Oh
very
my
fabric
gosh. What is happening? This is so aesthetically pleasing and also terrifying.
of space and time. But sometimes they also help us confirm the laws of physics. Now imagine driving a car. As you drive, objects in the rear window start to appear smaller and smaller until they disappear from view entirely. That's exactly what happens with quasars, except they're moving away from us at incredibly fast speeds, up to 90% the speed of light.
What? At the speed of light.
Wonder why they're trying so hard to sprint away from us. But in any case,
Wow. That's freaky.
this helps us confirm that the universe does expand for real. Another eerie thing about quasars is that they're incredibly old. Some even date back to the time when galaxies were forming, or to the birth of our universe.
I don't understand this at all. It freaks me the fuck out when people are like, here's a picture of the Big Bang. What? I don't understand it. Don't try to
Quasars are some of the
explain
most
it to
distant
me.
objects that we can observe in the universe. Some of them are located billions of light years away from us. This means that when we observe a quasar, we're actually seeing light that was emitted billions of years ago. When
Are you gonna try to explain it to me?
Earth was much younger and different than it
Are
is
you gonna try to mansplain, narrate, explain?
today. And that's why they work like cosmic time capsules. Studying them gives us a glimpse into the distant past. You see, galaxies are like giant cities, with stars and planets serving as the inhabitants. But just like cities evolve over time, galaxies also undergo changes as they age. And that's where quasars come in. They're like the urban planners of the universe. They shape the
Wow, Dropbox.
galaxies through their powerful gravitational influence. By eating galaxies and releasing intense radiation,
I don't know why. Stop saying that. That just looks like some fucking, like, what was that, like, Shaq, like, basketball? Space Jam. Wait, no, that was Michael Jordan. This just looks like a basketball on fire.
they can
Allegedly. Ooh.
trigger star formation and shape the structure of the galaxy itself. It's like the cosmic equivalent of a master chef or a leaf blower. You pick. For example, let's take
What?
galaxy mergers. Here,
That looked like a bird.
star formation and shape the structure of the galaxy itself.
Look,
It's like the
look.
cosmic equivalent of a master chef or a leaf blower. You pick.
Hold on.
For example,
Look. Tell me that's not a fucking owl. Now I'm thinking of the staircase. If you know, you know.
let's take galaxy mergers. Here are two massive entities coming together, swirling and spinning around each other. As they get closer and closer, their
Those.
gravitational pull becomes stronger, and they start to merge into a new, bigger galaxy. It's a beautiful and dramatic process, one that can take millions of years to
Oh,
complete.
that looks
But all
spooky.
this doesn't go without consequences. The gas and dust within the galaxies
Oh,
collide,
that's
creating
spooky.
massive shockwaves that
Oh
trigger the
no,
birth of
that look like
new stars.
That look like space spider waves. This makes me. I gotta.
and even supermassive black holes. And this is where the quasars come into play. Some quasars may be born during these galactic get-togethers, and thanks to this, they help us study the effects of this process and the evolution.
Why does this sound like a galactic fucking orgy? Ooh, look at that. Just a space rock. Oh my gosh, no, I don't want to think about that.
Of galaxies over time. But it's not all serious science and no fun. For example, how about gravitational lensing? Now, that's something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It
Oh no, Shay, stop here. I don't know where he's going. But I said contact lens.
happens when the gravity of a massive object, like a quasar, bends the path of light from a more distant object, like a galaxy, behind it. It's like having a really big magnifying glass in space. When you combine a quasar with gravitational lensing, you get some seriously awesome cosmic...
Look at that fucking what did I say? That's a whisker. And that's one of my favorite things. Do 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 doodle. Do 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 do. Bow 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 bow. Bow 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 bow. Wait, I should have started here. Hold on a second. I'm committed to this. Do 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 do. Down down down. Bow bow. Oh shit. Ah, damn it. Damn it. Pew, 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 pew. Anyways, we get it.
Candy. The result is kind of like a funhouse mirror, where objects appear warped and twisted in strange and mesmerizing ways. Gravitational lensing isn't just for show. It's also a powerful tool for astronomers to study the distribution of dark matter and the structure of the universe. And that's not all. Some scientists have proposed that quasars
Wait, there's more? Like a fresh pine sand? Question mark?
can help us build the map of the universe. They can work like giant neon road signs. Turn left at the quasar and you'll reach your destination. They're like lighthouses that help us navigate through space. By analyzing the light from different quasars, astronomers can determine the distances between them and create a 3D map of the universe. And the best part, quasars are located throughout the entire universe. That's why this cosmic map can give us a comprehensive view of the universe.
What? No. This is how you find your seat at the stadium.
On a scale that was previously unimaginable. Who knew that a giant galaxy eater could be so useful? There's still a lot we don't know about these mysterious objects. In 2007, a team of astronomers made an astonishing discovery, the first true binary quasar. Basically, this means two huge quasars spiraling
What? Oh gosh. No, you're drunk.
around each other. What's more, they were hiding in plain sight. For years, scientists had
Oh my gosh, that is such a good place to hide. Also, look at that. Brown chicken, brown cow. Burp.
known about this radio source, but had never realized that it actually comes from one lovely couple. The astronomers also estimated that this pair may have a mass of about 100 billion suns. They're super distant, though, at an astounding 12
100 billion suns, won't you come and do the tadpole dance? Ay.
billion light years away from our blue planet. Overall, quasars are a fascinating
It's like blue and green, and also I don't see colors of planet.
and complex phenomenon that continues to baffle and intrigue scientists. They may be cosmic galaxy eaters, but they're also playing a critical
Whoa, did you see that? That, like, gas smoke was all, like, touching that planet's shoulder.
role in the formation and evolution of the universe. And who knows, maybe one day they'll become one of the keys to unlocking the mysteries of our universe. Oh, you crazy
Maybe.
quasars. That's it for today. So hey, if you pacified your curiosity,
Oh, yeah.
then give the video a like and share it with your friends. Or if you want more, just click on these videos.
Go to this channel. It's called Brightside, and they do terrifying videos of like creepy, crazy shit under the ocean, and ways your body will fucking terrify even their own self. The more you know, etc., etc. Okay, bye.